How to use influencer marketing to grow your business. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to use influencer marketing to grow your business. So let's get into it. What is influencer marketing and how it helps you with your business? Influencer marketing, in simple words, means that we use influencers from Instagram, TikTok, Snapchat, YouTube, any social media platform to market our business, to market our products. If you have a blog, if you have a website online or an e-commerce business, then you can use influencers with thousands and millions of followers to review your product and ask their followers to check it out. This way we get the audience, and it's a very effective way to grow your business. Because for instance, if an influencer has 10 million followers, or let's say 1 million followers, and they're reviewing our product and saying that, okay, I have long hair, I have beautiful hair, and they say that I have this beautiful skin or hair because of this product. So their followers and people who follow them, they follow that trend and they will simply buy the product. Out of those millions, at least hundreds will buy your product. So it's a very effective way to market your business. So today that's what I will discuss, and where to find the influencers and what are the different factors that play an important role, and what you should do in order to use influencer marketing in order to grow your business. First of all, what are the different platforms you can use to find the influencers? Well, you can use Instagram, then there is Snapchat. TikTok is now very famous because a lot of TikTokers are now influencers as well. They influence people, they create the trends. So you can go ahead and check out TikTok. Then there is YouTube as well. YouTubers also play an important role when it comes to marketing your business, and you can use certain YouTubers and product review videos to actually get views to your business. Now, how to approach these influencers and how you can know that this is the person I should send my product to, because there are a lot of influencers out there. Let's say that I am on Instagram and I have a skincare product. So I'm looking for an influencer to go for. And I will talk about a beginner and about, people who have not we don't have approach to celebrities, because celebrities also are influencers and they play an important role when it comes to marketing your business, but we don't have that much budget to actually pay them millions of dollars for a post. So we can use our different influencers that actually gain their popularity through Instagram or TikTok, and they have thousands of followers. They have like 200K followers, 300K followers. So that will actually is pretty good for a beginner to get their business out there. In order to approach them, it's actually really easy. There is no complicated process for that. When you open up any of the different, bio, let's open up this bio and let's check it out if they have done it or not. But a lot of influencers will have their email added in their bio. And you might have seen them like the word DM for paid collaboration or DM for collaboration. So all you need to do is, if you want to approach them, you write a DM to them saying that this is our business and we want to collaborate with you. It's going to be a paid collaboration. We'll get to it in a minute, where I will explain what is the difference between a paid collaboration and a PR. So what happens is that they have added the information right here. So you can just check out, and sometimes they have added their, assistant's profile, that this is the person who manages our profile. You can contact this person, so you contact them, or you can write a DM to them saying that I want your contact details because we have a business and we want to do a collaboration and everything. So it's very simple. You contact them on the platform or through email. There is nothing else involved in this. There is no heavy contracts and everything. So everything is online, and it's very easy to approach an influencer. So, what influencer you will go for? If I have skincare related products, then I will actually go for a influencer related to skincare. A person who talks about skincare and have has a good skincare, and a lot of people ask them about their skincare all the time. So that will actually help me a lot, because I cannot go for a person with a fashion, niche, and they post all about fashion, they post about shoes, and I will ask them to do a skincare, review. That doesn't make sense, and people don't buy it. So if you have a shoes brand, then you can approach a person with, a person who posts about shoes. So this is how easy it is to kind of like just get things from social media. So social media marketing and influencer marketing is actually really, really easy, and we get everything online, digital, and just if you have knowledge about social media, then you will be able to do it really easily. So this is all about how you can use these platforms to go for influencer marketing. Now there are different platforms out there, such as influencer.com. Now this is a platform that gives you all the information about different influencers, and they help you approach influencers and agencies about your product. This is also for the influencers, where what they do is they different influencers can also come to this platform and they say that, okay, I'm an influencer, because there are different influencers from different countries, from different niches. So they also come to this platform and say that, okay, we are an influencer and we're ready for collaborations. So this is a platform that will help you get to the influencers, and you can check out their partners and check out the works and creators, everything. Go ahead and check out influencer.com. On, we have influencer marketinghub.com. This is also a platform that I personally use, and it's really, really good for your influencer marketing. And as a complete beginner, you will get all the information you need. Here you will be able to find the creator brands and the report. Then there are different content creating ideas for you. There are different blogs and articles that help us a lot. Then we have, you can see influencer marketing agencies. We are a collection of globe's leading marketing agencies in one place. So if you're looking to approach agencies, then you will be able to find them here. Then you can see influencer marketing platforms. You can view the platforms. There are hundreds of platforms out there that you have not even heard about, and they're pretty famous and a lot of people use them. So you can use these platforms as well. Check them out with Influencer Marketing Hub. Then you can see top live shopping influencers to watch, the biggest social shopping trends. So this is actually a pretty good all-in-one platform that gives you all the information about influencer marketing. So you can go ahead and check out influencermarketinghub.com. These are free platforms. You can log in and check them out. So this is just like my recommendation for you guys, because if you are a complete beginner, you can check out influencer.com and influencer marketing hub to get all the information. Another tip that I would like to give you guys is that if you do not know how to do influencer marketing, you can actually go to a freelancing platform, any platform you want, and you can go to Fiverr, you can go to Upwork. And what you can do is you can actually hire people to do social media marketing for you, and they have all the information and they're pretty cheap. You will be able to hire people for $10 per hour, $5 per hour, and they can help you with influencer marketing and help you grow your business. Once you grow your business, you will be able to get more and more sales, and your business will grow. Whatever business you have, you can do influencer marketing to grow it and run a successful business online. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know how to use influencer marketing to grow your business. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.